let's look at this question. Write the equation of the circle with center -2 and 5 and radius √7. All right, first thing we need to remember that the standard form of equation of a circle is given by this x minus k all squared plus y minus h all squared is equal to r squared, where k and h center of the circle and r is the radius. Okay, so we have that standard form to play with. Let's plug numbers in. We do have coordinates here -2 and 5 with the center, that's your h and k. So in here our h and k is -2 and 5. Now we have the radius r. We're gonna go back and plug numbers in and rewrite this standard form based on the information that we have. So what do we have? We have x -2 becomes +2 because that's -2 squared, plus y minus h is 5. So this is your k, that's your h, okay? And that is 5 all squared. Radius is √7, so that would be, I want to write it at √7, and then we have to square that. Now let's simplify that. I'm going to rewrite it again. X plus 2 all squared plus y minus 5 all squared, that's equal to √7 squared. It's 7. So this is the equation of the circle with the center -2 and +5 and radius square root of 7.